Check out this new 2012 Chevrolet Colorado. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 17 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 23 on the highway. This Colorado boasts a 3.7-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front bucket, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, engine, 3.7 LDOHC 5-cylinder SPI, emissions override, federal, emissions, Arizona, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Tires, P265/70 or 17 on off-road, black wall and the audio system, FM stereo. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.